Hey, welcome to Goat Love. Look what Poe's doing. There goes Atticus. Here comes Atticus. I don't know. He's pure Nigerian. The other one, I think he's got a lot of billy goat in him. Yeah, billy goat. Look at that billy goat ear. And he doesn't have that. Oop, there he goes. Bye. So what's he doing? He jumps over Pooh. Right. Boys are out in the yard. We really thought about putting the pen around the back, so she just let them out and they can come in, go out, come in, go out. But supposedly there's a bush over there that can kill them. So I don't know. We need to see if we might be able to cut that bush down and get rid of it.
Eating out of it.
Where?
I had it in the back of the moto.
Yeah.
He pulled it open.
What you doing, Dink Dink? What are you doing? What are you doing, mister? Does that mean you gotta get in there too?
Come on, Atticus. Come here, babe. Come here, Atticus. Attaboy. Attaboy. He's a good boy. Come here, At.
Hey, mister.
Come here, Popo.
Handsome boy.
Come here, Popo. So's Popo. Popo's handsome too. You just got all the.
That's gonna be a new part of your.
You just got all the beard.
New part of your.
You got the beard.
New part of your barn there, Popo.
No, I'm not playing with you. Now stop. Let me pet ya. You. Come on, stand up. Stand up on them feet. Get off his back.
You'll get on
Stand up on them feet. Come on. Come on. You're just too big, aren't you? You're just too much of a chunky butt. Here, try it over here.
We got Nigerian.
Come here.
Part Nigerian and definitely Billy Goat.
Move. Come here. Try it over here. Try it over here. I know you can. Down. Come here. Try it over here. What? What? Come here. Come on, put your feet up here. Come on, put your feet up here. Oh. Man, you're so
Good man.
beggar.
Okay.
Beggar.
All right, so
Come on, guys. Come on.
I'm almost finished. Almost finished with the door. I dropped it down just a little bit so it doesn't have quite so much of a roll open. Make it easier. Still, what I got to do is I got to get some metal, go across the top, and enclose the door so you don't see the sliders. I'm gonna let you guys in on a quick little secret. We're gonna have little situations like this. These are robins. This is a robin's nest.
In the goat barn.
They're waiting for Mama to come back in. What's up, buddy? What's up? How you doing? What's going on? What's going on? Hi. What's up, buddy? Hi. How you doing? Huh? How you doing? Yeah? Is that right? I want to play with Pooh. I want to play with Pooh. I want to play with Pooh. What are you doing? What are you doing? Poor guy. Well, that wasn't.
Come on, try it again.
He says, I'll come in the door.
Try it again, club face.
I'll come in the door instead. What are you doing? What's up, mister? Hi. I don't have any. She's got it. She's got it. Oh, there he is. There he is.
Hey! Not the boobs.
What are you doing? Hi. What's going on, my man? Huh? Do you want me to give you one? Hey! Atticus! Hey! Hey, bud. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, come on. Oh, good man. That's us. Uh-huh, I know, huh? Uh-huh, what are you doing? What? Get your head out there. I like the whole thing. Atticus. Come on, dude. Come on, buddy. Sit down here. There you go. What? You lacking water? Hope you ain't lacking water. Oh. I got more.
Get in here and sit down.
Get in here.
Come on.
Get in here and sit down.
Come on.
There, mister.
There.
Yeah. You good? Huh? You good?
Go for a ride? Come on, you wanna go for a ride?
I got no more, I'm sorry.
Come on, you wanna go for a ride? Let's go to the pond.
It'll be in your lap. You gonna go pond? You gonna go to the pond with her? Huh? You gonna go to the pond with her? No. No.
You need to move.
Go ahead. I'm in the way. Come on, mister. You're getting left by yourself. Come on. You're all by yourself. Come on. Come on, let's go. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. He said, I'm hungry. Atticus, come on. You know what you're eating? I hope you know what you're eating. Come on, dude. Come on. Down here. Come on. Poor guy's freaking out. You don't know where he went. Buddy. Come on. Come on. Come on, dude. Come on. Come on, dude. Come on. Yeah. 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 Come on. Come on, dude. Come on. Come on. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. Yeah. Come on. Come on. Come on, dude. What's your pose doing? There's Popo down here. There's Popo over there. Come on, dude. There's Popo. Come on. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
What, are you mad because he left you?
You left me. You left me, you asshole. Yeah. What are you doing, huh? What's over there at the water? You hang out in the water? You don't hang in the water, is he?
You see him prancing?
Uh-huh. What? What? Yeah? Yeah?
In the water.
But he will. Thanks. Po, you hang out in the water?
Don't eat the no!
Told you.
Not the real flag!
Po says, where the heck are those animal crackers? Oh, there they are. I'm gonna knock them off.
Flower right off the video, didn't ya? Yeah, you better get in there and sit down.
Oh, shit.
Kicked me.
Did he really?
Yeah. Atticus did.
Yeah. Okay. Alright. Get the boat in the water tomorrow. Yes. I need to do some sonar.
Come here, let me brush that beard. Come here, let me brush that beard. Come here, let me brush that beard. All right, I'll brush your brother. He's a good boy. See how good he is? See what a good boy he is? He just stands right there and lets me brush him.
I don't care.
Because I like it. I like to be brushed. Don't ya? He says, I like to be brushed. That's why my coat's so nice. See, I'm getting a little bit of a beard right here.
Oh, he ain't got no beard.
He's getting a little bit right there, look.
He ain't getting no beard. Not like him.
He's getting a little bit, see it?
Alright, Poe's getting his feet done, which he loves. Atticus is hiding underneath because he doesn't want to get his feet done.
For you. Well, it is for you, but it ain't for you to eat.
You get stuck under there, don't be knocking him off. What's up, bud? Oh, you're fine. Get up there. Get back up there. You're all right. Eat it. Get up there. You're a good boy. Well, yeah, you can lay that right there because we need this foot. Yep. Okay.
I did them all.
You ever done 'em?
Yeah.
Oh, in that time?
Yeah.
That was quick.
I had to slap his ass.
Oh, that was quick. Oh, it's such a hard time doing his other one. There we go. Good man.
Wait a minute, right there. Right there's where you're missing your hair.
Oh, I hope.
Somebody got you. Somebody got you, didn't they? I don't know who got you.
Oh. Where are you going? Your turn?
I'm taking a break for a second. I'm pouring sweat. They're killing me doing this.
Mm-hmm. All right.
You're okay. You should be good now. Your feet shouldn't be bothering you. You shouldn't be itching. Go poop somewhere. You don't go far.
What are you doing? Yeah? Really? What do you want? What, you gonna go get some water? You thirsty too? Go get some water. Go get some water, Smarty. Go get some water. Go get your water.
I looked. I had me a bucket
Uh-huh.
to put it in.
Yeah.
I'm gonna buy me a little
Cover up the mud.
dustpan at the Dollar Tree.
Okay.
But I think I need to put one more thing of that in there.
Okay.
Yeah.
And cover the mud.
But I do love them. Then I gotta get in their CDC. Hey, don't go in there. There's bees in there.
Bees in where?
The igloo?
Is there?
Yep.
Did they make a nest in there already?
I saw 2 or 3 of them in there yesterday.
Great. I need to get
What are
the...
you looking for? You had your pellets for the day, dude.
Guess so.
You had your pellets.
What are you doing?